Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change keybind on Roblox. So first of all you have to be in the game, any game you want, and once you are in the game you just need to click on this Roblox icon, and now just need to go to in settings. Now in setting, to change key settings you just need to be make sure, or you can change the key setting from here. Let me go back. Yeah, here in the movement you just need to choose, you can choose keyboard mouse, click to move, or you can choose this default keyboard. So make sure to select this option, and in the camera mode you can choose any mode you want, like classic, polo. Basically it's the camera, and then and it's a camera toggle, and this is the default one, so you can keep these options. And in the camera sensitivity you can choose the camera sensitivity at any point you want, so I'll recommend you to keep one which makes it balance fine. And also if you want to so basically if you want to, you can see that these are the settings basically, which is a default one. So if you want to keep these things, if you want to keep these things, just need to make sure that it is set as default keyboard. Fine. And so this is how it done. So you can see here. And once you're done with your settings, you just need to click on resume. And now you can enjoy your game by playing these by these key controls. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.